Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Affiliate Marketing Express. In this video I will explore the world of affiliate marketing and we will discover how to choose the right affiliate programs to ensure success. The rise of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale or lead generated through their efforts. Over the past decade, the affiliate marketing industry has experienced explosive growth, with global spending on affiliate marketing expected to reach $14.3 billion by 2023. Source: Statista. This meteoric rise can be attributed to several factors. 1.1. Cost-effective for businesses. Affiliate marketing presents a cost-effective solution for businesses to drive sales and expand their customer base. Unlike traditional advertising methods, where businesses pay upfront for ad space, affiliate marketing allows companies to pay only for results, sales or leads. This performance-based approach makes it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. 1.2. Low barrier to entry. Affiliate marketing offers an accessible entry point for individuals looking to venture into the online business world. With minimal upfront investment and no need to create or manage products, affiliates can focus on marketing and driving sales, making it an ideal opportunity for beginners. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Now that we understand the power of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to grasp the importance of selecting the right affiliate programs. Not all programs are created equal, and making the wrong choice can result in wasted time and effort. Here are the key factors to consider when choosing affiliate programs. 2.1. Relevance to your audience. The success of affiliate marketing hinges on your ability to connect with your audience. It is essential to choose affiliate programs that align with the interests and needs of your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify the preferences of your audience, and select programs that offer products or services that cater to those interests. 2.2. Product quality and reputation. Before becoming an affiliate for a particular program, it is vital to assess the quality and reputation of the products or services being offered. Remember, your credibility as an affiliate is directly linked to the quality of the products you promote. Look for programs that offer high-quality products or services with positive customer reviews and testimonials. 2.3. Commission structure and payout. Affiliate programs vary in their commission structures and payout methods. Some programs offer a flat commission per sale, while others provide a percentage of the total purchase value. Carefully examine the commission structure and payout frequency to ensure it aligns with your revenue goals. Additionally, consider programs with long-term customer tracking, allowing you to earn commissions on future purchases by referred customers. 2.4. Affiliate support and resources. A supportive affiliate program can significantly enhance your chances of success. Look for programs that provide affiliates with comprehensive resources such as marketing materials, training materials, and dedicated affiliate managers. Strong support from the affiliate program can empower you to optimize your marketing efforts and maximize your earnings. Case studies and success stories. To further solidify the importance of choosing the right affiliate programs, let's delve into a few case studies and success stories that illustrate the impact of selecting the appropriate programs. 3.1. Case study: Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates, the affiliate program of e-commerce giant Amazon, has been a game-changer for many affiliates worldwide. By leveraging the immense popularity and trust associated with Amazon, affiliates have been able to tap into a vast range of products and earn generous commissions. Through careful selection of relevant products and strategic marketing, affiliates have achieved substantial passive income streams. 3.2. Success story: Online business app. Introducing the game-changing affiliate platform, Online Business App. In the fast-paced world of online business, finding the right affiliate program can make all the difference. Enter Online Business App, the ultimate solution that is revolutionizing the affiliate marketing landscape. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, this platform stands head and shoulders above the competition. Online Business App offers a simple commission structure and extensive selection of high-quality affiliate products across various industries, providing unmatched opportunities for affiliate marketers to maximize their earnings. Its advanced analytics tools and real-time tracking empower users with actionable insights, enabling them to optimize their campaigns and drive exceptional results. And that's not all. As an affiliate with Online Business App, you can take advantage of their most current training from industry leaders, giving you the most up-to-date strategies and techniques. This affiliate program has quickly assumed the position as the all-in-one solution, which is a testament to its success and market adoption. Tools and resources to aid your decision. Choosing the right affiliate program requires research and analysis. Fortunately, several tools and resources can assist you in making an informed decision. 4.1. Affiliate networks. Affiliate networks, such as Commission Junction, ShareASale, and ClickBank, serve as intermediaries between affiliates and merchants, offering a wide range of affiliate programs to choose from. These networks provide a centralized platform for managing affiliate partnerships, tracking performance, and receiving payments. 4.2. Online communities and forums. Engaging with online communities and forums focused on affiliate marketing can provide valuable insights into various affiliate programs. Interacting with experienced affiliates can help you gain knowledge about reputable programs, industry trends, and best practices. 4.3. Product reviews and comparisons. Numerous websites and blogs offer comprehensive reviews and comparisons of affiliate programs. These reviews evaluate factors such as commission rates, product quality, payout frequency, and support resources. Utilizing these resources can save you time and effort in identifying the most suitable programs. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful avenue for beginners to enter the world of online business and earn passive income. By choosing the right affiliate programs, you can leverage your marketing skills, connect with your audience, and generate substantial revenue. Remember to consider factors such as relevance to your audience, product quality, commission structure, and affiliate support when selecting programs. Explore case studies and success stories, and utilize tools and resources available to aid your decision-making process. With diligence, perseverance, and the right choice of affiliate programs, you can embark on a rewarding journey in the world of affiliate marketing. My top pick for an affiliate program for 2023 and beyond is Online Business App. I am an affiliate with Online Business App, and I can attest to the fact that the commission structure is 25% on every product or service that can be purchased from their marketplace. Even better still, there is no time limit for your customer to complete the purchase for you to earn commissions. Your commission is always 25% of the shopping cart total. If you would like more information, I will include the link in the description. Thanks again for watching my video, and have a great and successful day. Remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.